Hi there, this is Liz and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another Christmas DIY from 2020. Since going out and about and shopping for unnecessary items is not recommended, I am just crafting with what I have available at home to me. And today I am crafting with these Charmed Aroma candle jars, and I have painted them off-white using a sponge and just dabbing on the paint to give it that little texture. And I think I'm going to make round Christmas presents with these. I did have some of this thinner ribbon at home already, so this is what I'm going to use, and I thought I would wrap these jars like I would a Christmas present. And then I wasn't too sure about that. I didn't know if I wanted to go with that look, so I did something different. So I did this instead. I wrapped it around the jar and I twisted it up on top and I taped it down at the bottom like I might do to a regular Christmas present. And then the struggle began. I couldn't for the life of me make a little bow that I was happy with to put on top of this DIY. Maybe it was because everybody's home and everybody's sitting around the table doing their own things, and I have a very small spot here on the table, so a lot of my struggles don't actually make it onto the camera here as it's a little bit out of shot. But anyway, it may be the stress of the times, but I could not make a bow. I really struggled with this little bow. But anyway, the struggle is real and I did eventually get it done. I decided to do it in small parts. So I decided to make two different tails. So I just dovetailed them and I just glued them underneath. As I've already mentioned, that there is a lot of activity going on around me. My granddaughter has a birthday coming up just before Christmas, and since we've already been told that we are going back into lockdown, there will be no Christmas gatherings, no one's coming over, and birthday parties are obviously out of the question. My granddaughter's mom had a birthday party for her earlier today. I know it's a little early, but she's super excited. She hasn't seen her friends since the school shut down in March. So she is here showing us everything that she got for her birthday. So she happened to get 2 bottles of nail polish. So at one point she comes over here and she asks me which one is my favorite and can she do my nails. So you may have noticed I started off recording without nail polish, but now I have nail polish on. But that is thanks to my granddaughter. And now here making the actual bow, the struggle got even worse. And I got so frustrated, I'm not going to lie, I was super frustrated. I just shut the camera off and did it off camera, and then I got it done. And there it is, all finished. I did get it done. And now I'm going to start on the second one. And for the second one, I will be doing the same thing as what I did with the first one, only with different ribbon and a different tag. So now I decided to put these little tags on here to make it look like a gift, like a name tag. And I did this with embroidery thread, and these are from the Heart and Stroke Foundation. I donated money to them years ago, and now they keep sending me a couple of cards in the mail every Christmas, and they come with this sticker sheet for the envelope, for the card envelope. And so what I did was I took some Mod Podge and I chose 2 identical little stickers and I put an embroidery thread in between them, and then I used Mod Podge to glue them together back to back with the thread in between. For this one, I'm going to be using the red embroidery thread because I used the green one for the other one.